cross over to Nyeri Mahiga village in Othaya and link with our reporter Ibrahim Karanja, who will be attending the burial of Ivy Wangechi, who is being buried today. Ibrahim, what do you have for us?
Well, good morning, Ashley. We are in Mahiga village, Othaya constituency, Nyeri County, where, like you have mentioned, the late Ivy Wangechi, a sixth-year student at Moi University, will be laid to rest today in this particular constituency, few meters from this school where we are standing. But this is where the service will be held in honor of Ivy Wangechi. Today, she will be buried. It is a burial that so far seem that so many people may attend. We have seen a heavy police presence, and Ashley, it is important that I mention that Deputy President William Ruto was to have a function here in Othaya constituency today, and it is very likely that he may also attend this particular burial owing to the very heavy police presence that we have seen around this particular place. Now, the body of Ivy Wangechi was actually at the Kenyatta University mortuary, and by now we are told the cortege has already left the mortuary and it's en route to Nyeri County. Of course, we expect lots and lots of her colleagues, her friends, and her schoolmates at the Moi University, and especially at the Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital, where she was hacked to death by a suspect known as Naftali Kinuthia, who has already been presented to court. But actually, also in connection to this particular burial today, a group of elders, Kikuyu elders, are today expected to also make a special sacrifice at the Bantu Lodge in Kieni constituency, that is in Naromoru area, where they are set, or we are told they will be making a sacrifice to appease the gods, just to ensure that such occurrences do not happen again. Remember, there has been a trend of people killing each other in relationships that have gone south. So today they will be making that particular sacrifice. Of course, we expect that they may slaughter and make a sacrifice to appease the gods, but that is after this particular burial, because that is happening in Kieni constituency. But here, residents are still flocking in. The families of Ivy has not yet arrived. We also haven't seen yet her colleagues and schoolmates at the Moi University, but we expect them anytime from now. Like I have mentioned, we are told the cortege has already left the Kenyatta University mortuary and it's en route to Nyeri County. Indeed, a very, very sad moment for the residents of Nyeri County, for the residents of the country, for family and friends of Ivy Wangechi, Ashley. Like I said, everything has been set since yesterday. Activities at this particular school were on top gear to ensure that at least Ivy gets a final send-off. But also, even as we lay Ivy to rest today, this brings lots of questions to the viewers who are watching and to the society over what is happening. Remember, Ashley, also about a few days ago, a woman was killed by an estranged lover here in Nyeri, and the suspect is still at large. So it really shows of so to speak, a rotten society where now people are taking murder as the easiest option out of a relationship. In that connection, yesterday we saw that special vigil that was held in honor of Ivy at the Osman Alu roundabout in Nyeri town. The vigil was organized by human rights activists and girl movements in Nyeri town and friends and family of Ivy. It ran from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. and the key message yesterday was that it is not easy. Murder should not be made easy. People should not walk away with murder, and once a relationship fails to work out, you should only walk out. Don't resort to killing your partner, whether man or woman, because it is indeed painful for the family, and it is very painful to cut a life short so prematurely. So Ashley, of course, even as the cortege arrives, we shall cover this burial here. We shall be live just in case our viewers will want to get the actions of what is happening. And of course, we shall also try and find time and go to see what the elders will be doing, much as they will be offering a sacrifice to the gods to ensure that this particular occurrence doesn't recur, Ashley.
All right, thank you very much, Ibrahim Karanja. They're just giving an update on Ivy Wangechi's final journey. She's set to be buried today. We're covering that for you. But as we move on, former National Land Commission Chair, Professor Mohammed